Continuing to clean this with my wire wheel and my die grinder, and I've just had a little clean in here, but I've realised that actually this is really super thin, and I've actually gone into the casing of the axle, so I'm gonna have to take these off. It's done the same on the other side as well, so I'm gonna have to take these off and make a reference of these, and then actually weld up these holes here, and check there's nothing else on the other side, just because yeah, that will lose all the oil. And obviously I'll have to just take the drain plug off and drain the oil, because as soon as I start welding this, it's going to ignite all the oil residue inside here, and almost make this a bit of a bomb, if not done properly. I mean, the ends are open, so it would probably just go and blow a bit of a flame out the side, but I need to also make sure that there's not much crap that goes inside of here, so I'll have to think of a way of what I can do, or whether I just pull all of the inners of the axle out and weld it, and then properly clean it out and make sure there's no residue of grinding material and bits of metal. Otherwise, that's going to bugger up this this differential. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with cutting these off. I was going to finish getting this all prepped, and then just give it a coat of primer just to protect all of the rest of the diff, and then I can begin the repairs, and then obviously once the repairs are done, then I can continue to prime the repaired pieces and then paint it all. So yeah, I've got a little bit more to do on this, I think. But yeah, so I'm going to crack on with this, and once I've cut this off, I'll show you what I've found. I think with this, I'll be able to draw up a design in CAD, so it'll be like a piece that's this top section and there, and then a folded piece here with the size of this axle, and obviously I'll make a measurement of the distance of this. I think I might just leave a couple of welds for reference, but yeah, that's a little bit of a setback, but not too, it's not the end of the world. It's all repairable. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next clip. I've just got this this first spring mount cut off. I've taken measurements from this point to here and sort of this side. This is probably the best one that I'll probably use for a reference to make a new one. So I just wanted to show what it was like underneath. So looks like there's a hole there. I'm not sure whether that's meant to be like that or smaller. And yeah, it's built up for quite some time, and as you can see here, so there's a hole there. I think I'm just going to try and put something in it so it doesn't get filled with crap when I whack it. So I'll just put a little bit of something while I just use my hammer to kind of go over it. Now I'm kind of expecting there to be a similar thing like this under all of this. So I mean, that's a fair amount of it off, but there's still quite a bit of carbon build up there. So I think So, I mean, I think actually it's only really that hole, but as I come around here, I think I will, when I get my wire wheel back on it, actually I can do that now. I'll just... that. So I'm going to clean all the inside out as well. So yeah, I think that's most of the carbon buildup removed. So I will I'll probably hammer a little bit further around and just check where there's other low spots. So like I'll probably weld a good amount around here and all of this section, because that looks pretty low and pitted, and like around here, maybe even some of these little bits where it's just slowly eroded. All of this bit is pretty good, and the rest of the casing that's actually been able to breathe or air or whatever. So yeah, I'm just going to continue cleaning off this and repairing that. I don't think that's, if I weld that, I don't think it's going to interfere with the actual half shafts, because well, they're not the same thickness of the internal diameter, so that's quite good. And then I'll clean this all out inside, drain all the oil, and clean it out with clean oil, and obviously use fresh oil once I am ready to put this, when it's ready to be used on the car. So yeah, I'm going to continue cleaning this and make these ones. I'll probably make another video when I've made a new one of these. I may even make some CAD files if I make, well, because I'm going to make some CAD files for these. If they do work out quite well, they may be available if people need them. So yeah, obviously that will come as and when, but yeah, I'm going to crack on with this and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, and that would really help. And yeah, thank you, bye.